Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So I got this Anker power bank right here, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. We're gonna just go ahead and open it. And the reason why I got this is because sometimes I go out like I am right now, and I'm always running out of batteries, and I don't want to do that, right? If I bring different cameras like my OM6 from DJI, my GoPro I'm pretty set up with, but my 360 camera and things like that, I want to be able to know that I have batteries that are being charged and batteries that I could be utilizing. I don't want to waste my time, so I got this for the purpose to do this. Obviously you could charge your cell phone as well, and you could charge a bunch of different things. So again, it's going to be a fast charging technology, and you don't know, Anker is pretty famous for putting out amazing power banks, so you know the company is going to be locked on, the company is going to be good to go. And I have had power banks from Anker for many years, and I tell you, I have used them for years and they have been great. This is going to be the Series 3. We're going to open it up. Obviously you're going to have the manual and some paperwork, as you can see right here, and then you're going to have this thing right here. This is kind of how it looks. It's not going to be super small. It's actually a pretty good size. We're going to get it out of here, and the reason why, and it's a little bit heavy as well, is because it's a big one, right? This is not a little one. This is going to be a big one that is going to allow me to charge a lot of stuff. And wow, it's looking good so far, right? I'm gonna give you a quick look. We're gonna take all the wrapper and all that around, and now I'm just gonna give you a quick look. As you can see, it does says Anker here. It says it right there, so you can kind of see it right there. And obviously it's gonna have two 3.0 right there and a USB-C as well. Also keep in mind that it's going to come with obviously the charging cable. You're going to have a USB to USB-C. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at here, just so you can have a little bit better detail in this angle right here. Obviously it says Anker right there. Kind of give you a look. Here's the cable, and here's some of the information as it says right there. Obviously you're going to have to press the button, and as I press the button, there is going to be a little bit of lighting. You can barely see it here in the camera, but you do have two lights on. So according to this, two light is going to be about 25 to 50%. So again, the lighting is going to give you kind of like an indicator of how much battery you have. If you see right here, you're going to be able to recharge it via USB-C, and again you could activate a couple different settings like trickle charging. It does have an 18-month limited warranty, and I'm just gonna do a quick test right here for you guys. This is my DJI mic that I usually take out with me. As you can see right here, I have a receiver and two transmitters. This is charged via USB-C, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick test. And this is what we got here. We have the Anker power bank obviously connected here, and as you can see, my microphones are being charged. So I got two transmitters, one receiver, and again this thing right here is being charged from this, which is, to me, is fantastic. Okay, here's another test very quickly. We got the power bank right here. Obviously microphones are being charged, as well as my cell phone is being charged right there at the same time. So very cool to be able to do that. So again, this is going to be the Anker 335 power bank. It's going to be about 20 watts portable charger. Again, you're going to have USB-C fast charging. It's going to work great with phones, you know, things such as this that you have to charge, you name it, iPad, AirPods, Apple Watch. And like I say, Anker has been around for a long time. They are a great company, so this is going to be great for my recording. Whenever I go out here to record and to mess around, I'm going to be able to charge my batteries with no issues. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.